YouTube, it's your boy Mac the Outsole coming back with another video. So I got a early look. I guess it's an unboxing, but I already opened a box, so it ain't really even an unboxing. But I got an early look at a shoe that's dropping this weekend, Friday, March 6th. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to you right now, because you know, I don't really get a lot of early access stuff, and your boy's gonna have to, like, you know, run with this one. So shout out to my boys in the Den of Souls group. They hooked me up. The homie Jamal, he went ahead and sent that pair to your boy, so I can go ahead and get this review out for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna need you to do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, leave a comment below. Do you think this shoe that I'm about to show you is fire or trash? Are you gonna go ahead and cop this shoe? Let's go ahead and just get right to the shoe. I'll bring you the LeBron 7 Fairfax. Alright, so we go ahead and go with this. We got the typical LeBron 7 box. All LeBron 7s that have been re-releasing have been coming in this exact same box. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of give you a quick look at the box. You see it. You've seen it in my other videos. I've done 3 LeBron 7s, so you've seen the box. Let's get to the shoe. Alright, so let's go ahead and read the description on the box. We have the Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike. Color spectrum is black, varsity red. Size 12. Retail price of $200. Again, this shoe drops Friday, March 6th. You can get it on Sneakers app. I know it's already showing on Sneakers app, and it's at a select few stores. You might want to check your launch locators. You might have them in your area. I don't really know. But let's go ahead and get to the LeBron 7 Fairfax. Here you go, the LeBron 7 Fairfax. So the first thing I can say about the shoe, this shoe is fire. A little quick history about this shoe. This was a school exclusive shoe to Fairfax High School, which is located in Southern California. This dropped in 2009. This shoe did not release when all the other LeBron 7 shoes came out in 2009. Like I said, it was kind of like a player exclusive, but more like a school exclusive. And there were models, or there were PEs of this shoe that were out there just because, you know, shoes were sold or whatever back in the day. But this shoe actually never really dropped like that. If it did, it might have dropped overseas, but I don't remember seeing it. But I always remember seeing pictures of this shoe, thinking this would be a dope LeBron 7 to get. Your boy's happy that he was able to go ahead and get a pair of these, because, you know, I wanted these, and, you know, it's a California school. I'm in California, so I had to make sure I pick these up. I know a lot of people that are fans of LeBron 7s are really looking forward to this shoe. Again, I'll repeat it again. It drops Friday, March 6th. I don't know when I'm going to release this video. It'll probably be before March 6th, obviously, or I can't really call it an early look. Now let's go ahead and take a more in-depth look at the shoe. Here we have the outsole of the shoe, which is black on the outer and a red stripe down the middle on the inner sole of the shoe. It has that hologram Nike LeBron sticker in the middle. You can see right there. Typical LeBron 7. You guys have seen it before. Now to the midsole of the shoe, we have the Air Max unit that pretty much goes all the way around. Obviously not 360, but it's damn close. So it ain't 360, but it's close to it. As we make our way up on the shoe further, as you see here, it has that patent leather that wraps all the way around the shoe, 360. Very similar to a Jordan 11. If you look at it, this is the LeBron version of the Bread 11. It's LeBron 7. This is the version of the Bread 11. It's just the red laces, and obviously, I think that's the best move. It doesn't need any kind of other laces. Maybe if they had yellow spare laces, that might pop a little bit, but the red ones are definitely fire on the shoe. Now let's take it to the back of the shoe. You go ahead and you have the LeBron LJ23 button that's on the back of the shoe here. That's typically on all LeBron 7s. You'll see that button. It's like a solid material. It's not metal, but it's definitely solid, as you see right there. Again, you see the patent leather wrapping around the shoe, and you see the L for this shoe. And on the other shoe, you'll see the J for LeBron James, obviously. You have a red insole on the shoe with a yellow patch with the L23, which is like the LJ23 crest inside the shoe. And around the crest, it actually says family, loyalty, and community. That must be something that has to do with Fairfax High. Again, it was a PE. If you can see that here in the close-up. And now we're on the medial side of the shoe. As you can see right here, you'll see the school name, which is Fairfax High. Again, a school that's based out of Southern California and Los Angeles. They were actually a real powerhouse school back in the early to mid 2000s. They're not a powerhouse now. At least I don't think they are. We all know Sierra Canyon runs Southern California, so you know that's like the school now. This was kind of before all that took place. Fairfax High, I believe it's a public school down in Los Angeles. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if I remember correctly, that's what this is about. Taking you down from Fairfax over here to the yellow swoosh on the medial side. Up here, you have more flat wire technology going through the shoe. And again, you see that patent leather which wrapped all the way around the shoe. And And again, here on the toe, you'll see this one I think is for 3. The other shoe I believe says 2, so it'll be 2, 3. LeBron, that's LeBron's number at this time he was wearing these shoes. So there you have it, a quick look at the LeBron 7 Fairfax. Again, this is a very dope shoe. I think everybody who likes LeBron 7s will definitely be a fan of this shoe. Go ahead, leave a comment below. Do you plan on copping the LeBron 7 Fairfaxes? Go ahead and leave a comment, let me know. We'll go ahead and talk about that in the comments, you know, we'll get into that. Also, don't forget, you got other shoes dropping this weekend. You got the UNC 3s. That's definitely a shoe I'm planning on picking up. So if I go ahead, we might do a vlog on that one. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and try to pick that shoe up. So that's a whole nother video. We'll get into that later. And this is the LeBron 7. Don't forget, you can pick this up Friday, March 6th for a retail price of about $200. And it is on Sneakers app. So if you go ahead and go to your Sneakers app right now, you'll see the Fairfax. Go ahead and click that notify me and go ahead and try to go ahead and cop your shoe. Hopefully you all hit on this. If you really want the shoe, I wish you the best of luck getting it. I think it's a great shoe. It's hands down my second favorite LeBron 7 shoe in the world. I ain't gonna hold you. It's number 2 for LeBron 7s go. Red carpets is still number 1, but you know, that's what it is. So you have the LeBron 7 Fairfax. You have your boy Mac, the Outsole. Remember this, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.